Hello, everybody. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And we're going to give you a wonderful day after. And you know you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're just stopping by, well, you look below and hit that red button there and subscribe. And make sure it says all on your notifications. Because we have deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information here every day. And we want to tell you about it. We like our crazy friends, and we like to make them on every video. So, become a crazy friend. Hit that subscription button. Alright, everybody, let's talk about what's going on at our favorite place, Dollar General, from the 24th to the 25th. Did you go yesterday and get your all but free Iams dog food? If you didn't, go today. Okay, go today because that stuff's going to be gone. Matter of fact, I'm going today. I don't even have a dog anymore, but I've got kids that have dogs. They can't afford no Iams dog food. So that is going to be my Christmas presents to my friends that's got fur babies. Okay? A little special dinner for them. And that's what I did with that Iams yesterday. I showed up to my Thanksgiving dinner with a Oreo ice cream pie from Dollar General for people and some Iams dog food for all the dogs. So, and what did it cost me? $4 and like 75 cents. Yeah. So that's why we hang out here at Crazy Country Couponers. So let's talk about this, guys. We've got this awesome sale going on. We've got the BOGO toys. And is this how it's advertised? BOGO. 75% off toys. Look for yellow star, blue star, or blue dot on the tag. Now, buy one, get one. And they're 75% off. Holy moly. You gotta go check that out. Today only, or not, the 24th only, excuse me. 50% off their Christmas ornaments and your trees. So if you haven't gotten that yet, then you want to hit that. Now we also have buy one, get one 50% off on your as seen on TV stuff. You also have 15% off a Lowe's card. So even if you've got a little project that you're doing yourself, 15% off a Lowe's card, that's a little bit more than your taxes. It does save you some money. So you might want to pick that up and give that a use. Now, $3.50 on these pants that are normally $5. Now this is the big kicker right here. $50% off these blankets, guys. And they're also having another sale on these blankets. So, somebody go today and check out the Comfort Bay blanket sale because they're 50% off and they're also buy one, get one free, I think. Or buy one and get one 50% off. One or the other. But I bet somehow they glitch. Now, these are to highlights to me. Is the BOGO Maxwell House. Buy one, get one free Maxwell House, okay? And these things are $7.95. So 2 for $7.95. And then we have the BOGO Planters Cashews and Mixed Nuts. These make great generic gifts. You can make your own tower. Okay, if you go into these catalogs or even into Walmart and buy gift packs, you'll pay $25 for 3 to 4 cans of Planters nuts, a variety of them, stacked up in a tower with ribbon wrapped around them and a bow on the top. Okay? You can do that, but you can do it for so much cheaper, because not only is it buy one, get one free, when you spend $10, you're going to get instant savings of 2. We also have these $5 appliances over here. The toasters, the mixers, the crock pots. Those are awesome deals. Maybe even the little chopper. Crock pot for $5. You know, anybody starting out or anybody that doesn't have one, go and get a bag of 3-bean soup and a couple of wooden spoons and a pot holder or 2. Throw inside that crock pot. And there is you a wonderful gift, okay? Now we also have the Whitman's and Russell Stover candies. Buy one, get one 50% off. For those of you who like more organized candy giving. Okay, that's a little bit more expensive. But, you know, keep in mind, we have our own candy deals that you can make your own candy stuff from, and much cheaper. We're also having all manner of Christmas stuff, 25% off. Buy one, get one 50% off. You're having $10 sales on certain toys. $15 sale on the kids' sleeping bags. And buy one, get one free on those little stocking stuffer. It's like the novelty gifts. And then we're going to move up a little bit. You've got that little refrigerator for $15, a griddle for $15, and there's also a higher-end crock pot for $15, okay? A little bit more higher end. So if you wanted to go that route, instead of giving the other crock pot, you can still do the same thing. You got $1.50 towels. You got an instant savings on hair care, blow dryers, and straightening wands. And you got buy 2, get 1 free nail polish. You got teenage girls, this is a great little stocking stuffer sets right here. Okay? Instant savings of $3 on men's grooming kits. Again, a great way to get something a little bit cheaper, generic gift, or a good stocking stuffer. Okay, of course, our standards. We've got instant savings on Hanes socks and underwear. I know you grandmas out there need this, because what do we give those grandkids that they don't get from anybody else? We give those grandkids socks and underwear. That's so funny, because I remember getting socks and underwear from my grandmother. If I got one package, I would just open it up, throw the first 2 over to the side, because I knew exactly what they were. One was socks, one was underwear. It was the third one I was interested in. Every year without fail. But you always knew you had good socks and good underwear, and so did your grandma. And look, guys, we have a plethora of little novelty gifts, okay? You need karaoke for your kid. Instead of buying that big, giant, bulky karaoke machine, which I did a few years ago, and I don't even think my granddaughter has used it. Maybe once or twice. But if they think that they might want something like that, you've got a 50% off on the karaoke microphone, which is normally $12. You've got Bluetooth speakers all over the place, different shapes and sizes. You got muscle aches. Oh my God, look at that massager. 2 different types of massagers. $10 instant savings on gift cards. I mean, this sale is a really good sale on things that, you know, you may not have gotten yet. drop cords. Buy one, get one 50% off. Now, speaking of drop cords, after Christmas, this is where you tune in on the drop cords because they're going to go on sale and you just get them and put them up because there's always a time in your life that you're going to need a drop cord. And of course, we've got some food items and we've got coupons for said food items, okay? 3 for $5 on the Triscuits. Those are good. That's a good deal, guys. Triscuits and wheat thins, because normally it's 2 for $5. So 3 for $5 is a really good deal. And look, for 11, okay, 2 for $7. You need some Cheez-Its to go with that. We've got a instant savings on those club crackers, but you got to spend $10 on the club crackers to get an instant savings of 3. And then, of course, we have more BOGOs. We've got buy one, get one free on their oil. And I'm not really sure about the prices when it comes to the oil, if that's a good deal, but I'm assuming anything free is good. But I know one thing that is a good deal, and that is this Blue Mountain antifreeze. Buy one, get one free. Do it Saturday, and do it in a scenario, and it'll even be cheaper for you. Now, of course, we know about our Iams dog food, the BOGO deal, which is a wonderful deal, by the way. You end up with 2 Iams dog food. Let me explain that, because somebody didn't get the gist of it yesterday, or the gist of the urns. So because of that, we'll have another video today that tells you how to use your urns again, and how they work. As best as I can figure it out so far. Because, you know, like anything else with Dollar General, it's a hit or miss, right? But we hope for the best. But on the Iams dog food, it's as simple as this. You have an urn coupon for a $3 urn and a $6 urn. If you use this dog food, you want to clip them both, because that $6 urn can work for you in a scenario. But for this deal, you're going to need the $3 urns, because you can claim it 2 times. That means you'll get paid $3 for each bag that you purchase. And you're going to buy one, and you're going to get one for free. Now, these are $10.25. So you're going to pay $10.25 for 2, and then you're going to get $6 back. Yes, meaning you're paying $4.25 for $20.50 worth of dog food. Yeah, that's a winner deal for sure. But supplies are limited. They're also having a 50% off home sale event. So if there was anything that you liked on their home decor department, this is when you want to go and get it, and you want to do it on Saturday, so you get an extra $5 off. We have an instant savings of $4.50 when you buy 3 Energizer 8-packs. And then you've got a $1 coupon off for one of those 8-packs, guys. And we also have this 5 for $5 soda, 2 liters, Mug, Crush, Schweppes, and Starry. This is an awesome deal. But I want to tell you about the Haagen-Dazs. Yes, more almost free ice cream. Alright, this is on sale. 2 for $6. Or 2 for $7, excuse me. You've got a $1 off coupon. Alright. So your final cost is going to be 2 for $6. However, you've got urns on this stuff. It doesn't have a picture except for these ones right here. But the Haagen-Dazs vanilla, they are on sale 2 for $7. You have a $1 off coupon when you purchase 2. These are 14-ounce Haagen-Dazs. And then you get $1.50 back earned for each one. So you're looking at $4 off of a $7 purchase, which leaves you paying $3 for 2 of these Haagen-Dazs ice creams. So if you like living large and eating like you're not shopping at Dollar General, or if you just want to show off for our next holiday meal, pick you up some of this Haagen-Dazs and throw it in your freezer. And of course, we have the plethora of Christmas candies. Buy 2, get 1 free on the Reese's. Now, we've got a $2 off of 9 that will work on the buy 2, get 1 free Kisses Reese's. But it's going to have to be the Reese's ones, no Kisses. Okay, buy 4, get 1 free. It will also work on that one. But you have to spend $10. We also have the 3 off when you spend 10, and it is glitching and working on the buy 2 get 1 free Reese's and Kisses. Okay, and we also have the glitching Nabisco coupon that's attaching to the Oreo cookies. So you could do a double dip glitch deal here. If you've not seen that video with that transaction on it, go back and check it out, and it tells you how to accomplish it. But this is the transaction in a pickup. 2 Oreo cookies. They didn't have those ones in stock in my store, so we went for the other 2 for $8. And we did the Reese's miniatures that are on sale. And that is $20 worth of product, guys, and we are paying $10.50 for this. And that would be today. And if you did this on Saturday in a scenario, well, you'll save even more money, of course. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this video. The highlights, or what I consider the highlights of this ad, and things that will save you the most money. But there's so much more. And hopefully I'll have time to tell you about it before you go shopping again tomorrow. But do stop by today, because a lot of this stuff that I've showed you is on limited quantities and it will be gone. Especially those things like the coffee and the Planters cashews and the Iams dog food. And maybe now even the Haagen-Dazs ice cream. And for those of you who are curious, the Oreo glitch is still working. It's not really a glitch. It's just an awesome deal. So it's working. And if you're curious about that, tune in to the next video, because I'll recap that one too. Because, well, it's all free, and you know me and free. Blessings, and I'll see you again real soon.